In this video, we'll be reviewing the basic anatomy using a model and some diagrams of a typical ray fin fish that belongs to the Osteichthyes group of vertebrates. If we look at this model, we can see first, looking at the external anatomy, the terminal mouth, the nostril, the eye, the opercular flap made of bone, the lateral line, the dorsal fin broken into the anterior dorsal fin and the posterior dorsal fin, the caudal fin known as the homocercal caudal fin, the anal fin, the pectoral fin, and the pelvic fin. Notice that all of the fins in a ray-finned fish are supported by bony rays that make the fins very maneuverable, very lightweight, yet still very supportive. Finally, we see the opening to the urogenital and digestive tract known as the cloaca or the vent. This view of the model has removed the lateral left side of the body, showing the vertebra, which are the segmented bones making up the vertebral column, the liver, the largest organ probably in the digestive portion of the abdominal cavity, the swim bladder, the intestine that opens into the cloaca. By removing the operculum part of the model, we can see the brain, the two-chambered heart, and the gill made up of the gill filaments and the pointed gill rakers. Here's a diagram showing the same parts of the anatomy: the terminal mouth, nostril, eye, operculum, lateral line, anterior dorsal fin, posterior dorsal fin, homocercal caudal fin, anal fin, pectoral fin, and pelvic fin. For the internal anatomy using this diagram, the gill with the gill raker, the heart, the liver. On the underside of the liver is a small bag filled with bile called the gallbladder, the stomach, the intestine terminating in the cloaca or vent, the pancreas located in the connective tissue along the intestine, the flattened spleen, the large gonad, in this case an ovary, and finally the gas-filled swim bladder.